Today, we're looking at top 5 Avax meme coins to buy now. Before we start the video, guys, I want to welcome you guys back to the 99B YouTube channel where we talk Bitcoin, crypto, and meme coin news. Make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to make sure you get the latest and greatest crypto news. Today, we're talking about the Avax chain because Avax has unrolled a $100 million meme coin fund. And what this is going to do is it's going to incentivize a ton of meme coin creators to start creating on the Avax network. We've been seeing a whole new wave, guys, with Avax, Chronos, Solana, even Base. People want to build on these new blockchains, and it's actually starting to work. We're seeing a lot of success in Avax, specifically with Kakinu, and today we're going to cover 5 coins that you may want to add to your watch list, if not grab a bag. So let's jump right into the video, taking a look at starting things off with this article, guys, because I want to show you guys Avalanche $100 million meme coin fund eligibility criteria. All the project has to be is basically a month old. The Avalanche Foundation held down its eligibility criteria for meme coins, hoping to receive installments from its $10 million culture catalyst fund. So basically, they're going to help fund these meme coins, and this is going to be great because now they're going to get more exposure, more money in the market, and again, more people to build on the Avax network. When looking at Avalanche, guys, they have a $145 billion total market cap. This is including Avalanche as well as all the projects on the Avax network, which is great to see. Now, let's go ahead and jump into our top 5 lists. First one is Husky Avax. So Husky Avax is down on the day. On the week, we're up 6%, and on the month, we are still down 9%. Makes it a great buying opportunity. But essentially, a lot of these popular coins are on Trader Joe's, so you can actually earn with them right off the bat. This Husky coin in particular has $7 million market cap, which is quite low when looking at some of these massive meme coins. All right, the website looks quite clean, and it's like its own little web browser. So let's hit start. Tokenomics social preview. This is actually a super dope website. Shut down. What happens when you shut down? What the heck? That's actually pretty clean. The website's super cool. So the first original dog on Avalanche, the Husky token, is a community-driven token native to Avalanche chain. Its stealth launched on May 12th of 2021 with liquidity locked and a hard cap supply, no team allocation, no mint function. It serves as a backbone for the Husky project, supporting real-world merchandise, NFT collection, and more. With a super dope website, guys. This is a project that's been around basically since the last bear market. It survived the bull run, survived the winter, and looks like it actually pumped really well a couple weeks ago, and now we're back to this red zone where it looks like this coin actually has a chance to pump again. Because 2 pumps like this, hopefully the next pump will be even bigger, and you might want to grab a bag. Next coin on this list is Kimbo, up 24% on the day, and on the month we are up a whopping 40%. This one again is a relatively newer project. It had launched at the end of 2023, so kind of survived that winter, but now performing exponentially well. It looks like it's stake Kimbo on DeFi staking pools. You already know on this channel we love staking. We love earning money on staking, especially dog coins. Talking about dog coins and staking, let's talk about dogecoin 20 for a second, because guys, this is your last call to see some doge 20. Don't miss out on this chance to become part of the liveliest and most energetic meme coin community out there. Witness the ascent of doge 20's value and its integrated staking on Ethereum amplified rewards for holders. So it's a staking coin, guys, obviously replicating off of the success of dogecoin. There's 17 days away for this to launch. It's launching on Doge Day, also very close to the Bitcoin halving as well, which is super dope. They've already raised over $10 million, guys, and they're launching in 17 days. We've been seeing crazy gains with these pre-sale gems, guys. You want to get in early if you want to make a bag with good boy staking, guys. Utilizing smart contracts powered by Ethereum. It's so much more than a meme coin. It brings passive income earning potential to the community, harnessing the power of your Dogecoin 20. You can start staking. No more inflation. Instead of being unlimited supply, it is a fixed supply. So, you know, fight against inflation pretty much. It's featured on a ton of articles, a great roadmap in place. This is basically your last chance to grab a bag at these low pre-sale prices, and people are seeing a ton of success buying in these projects super early. Just like Kimbo the dog, Dogecoin 20 is here to make some moves. Now let's take a look at the next coin on the list, and that next coin being Wonderful Memories. Now this one is pumped like crazy today, 900%. I would definitely not buy this coin anytime soon until we see a pullback. There's some reason obviously we're covering this is there's obviously something there if it pumped that much, but overall we're still down 96 6%. This coin currently has a $13 million market cap, which is not too bad for a meme coin. I'm imagining, guys, with this fund, it's going to bring longevity to these projects, and you just want to add these coins to your list. Now, again, you might not want to buy a project like Wonderful on a day it's pumped 9,000%, but when it's in the red and it feels like there's a nice chance to enter, you're going to want to grab it back. I just want to mention this clearly because the gains today were absolutely insane, and to really highlight what this fund is going to do for Avax as a whole, as people are going to start aping into Avax and Avax projects. Now, let's talk about a killer on the list, and that is Cock Inu. This one currently has a $300 million market cap, and this one's actually been taking the internet by storm, becoming not just the most popular coin on Avax, but becoming one of the most popular meme coins in the internet space. I was reading on Twitter a couple of days ago that Cock Inu has 1% of the social equity in terms of posts and trending on social media. And in terms of market position, guys, they have 0.01%. Meaning there's a lot of room left for Cock Inu to grow. This one's been a super popular and successful project on the Avax chain. Life is better when you have some Cock Inu. Born from the collective friendship, deeply rooted in mematic and humor, Cock Inu isn't your average meme coin. It's a way of life. And the community for Cock Inu has been absolutely insane. Very active on Twitter, very popular on Twitter with over 71,000 followers for a brand new meme coin. Looks like they're doing giveaways and airdrops, and the community's there, and that's what I like to see when investing in a meme coin, is how solid is the community. Now, the last coin on this list, guys, is a cat with hands. As we've been seeing, guys, the dog with hat trend has been taking the internet by storm, and cat with hands is trying to kind of replicate some of that mematic magic, but this one is still so early with a $300,000 market cap. There's so much room for this to grow. Just a cat with hands on Avax. It's as simple as that. That's as simple as a website. They're on Telegram, they're on X, and the website is so trippy when you move your mouse around. I hope no one gets a seizure at home. They have just under 9,000 followers on Twitter, so they're very new, guys. And as a market cap is suggesting, this is like super new. If this pops up on the internet, this could be absolutely insane. As we've seen, the dog with hat coins have been going absolutely crazy. The dog coins as a whole have been going absolutely crazy. Like we're seeing the success with Doge20, Kimbo, Shiba Inu, dog with hat. The dog trends are taking over. But if the cat coins start to get some shine, it could be awesome. Plus, it's on the Avax chain. It's still new, so not eligible for the $100 million fund. So once it lasts about a month long and can start getting some money from the fund, they pull us towards our marketing. And again, we're getting in massively early. Guys, I want you to let me know what you think about my list in the comments section below. Was there a coin on the Avax network that I missed? Are you bullish on Avax this bull run? I want to know it all. I'm gonna read the comments down there below. That wraps up the video. Like always, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before buying into any projects we cover on this channel. And that wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.